Hello my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lam Thulisile Kolweni, and if you are new here, welcome. Please don't leave without subscribing, commenting and liking this video. And if you are my day one, you guys know what it is, what it do. Thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you guys for coming back and clicking to watch this video. So in today's video, it's gonna be something that's really quickly. As you guys can see, I've done my brows, I've done my face. Like, the only thing that I will do now is my eyeshadow. I just want to do a simple everyday look for you guys. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get into the video. Of course, my holy grail is the Lungile Tabete X Scarlet Hill eyeshadow, and I'm gonna create the look using this and probably use the black like this eyeshadow, which is number 10, which is a black eyeshadow, because there is no black eyeshadow here, but we'll see. So I am obviously gonna need my brushes that to create this look. So I will probably need this. I probably don't need all of them, but I will use whatever I can use. Okay, so in today's video, because it's gonna be an everyday look, I'm gonna start off by using this one, which is a blending brush from the Body Shop, and I'm gonna go in with the shade 27 gang, which is this shade. So the shades that I'm gonna use is this one, that one, and the 27 gang is what I'm using now, or tapping into. As you can see, I've already prepped my eye. I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend that. And also use my beauty blender again to go in with my powder. I just want to put more powder under my eye. That way any fallouts doesn't mess with my complexion that I've already done, color complexion. So I'm gonna do that under my eye and just leave it like that, and go in with 27 gang, and I'm gonna use that there. If you would like a review on this, I will link it in somewhere here right now for you to watch how I feel about this palette and just my honest opinion about it. So yeah. And I'm gonna go in with, now I am using pumpkin pie on the inside of my eyelid, and dab. And I'm gonna put right on top of that and just like that. I am gonna go in with the black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this dome brush that I'm going in like here. and I'm gonna go in on my lower lash line. Just smoke that out. And then go in again with the shade 7 Gang, again on my lower lash line. Like that. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dust this off, the powder that I put on, and put mascara. And just blend that out. And bam. And now that I am back, I am gonna use the color called Babe Online, and I'm gonna just do that in the inner corners of my eyes, and we're done. Like that, and we are done. I just want to put this on. Oh, and there you have it, my loves. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've learned something and you will take something home with it and try it. And if you do try it on, please tag me on my Instagram. It is Thulisile Kolweni, and on Facebook it is also Thulisile Kolweni, and Twitter it is Thulisile Kolwe without the ENI. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment down below. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.